It is time to clean up all this Christmas decor. Are you ready to clean with us? I love the feeling of a clean house. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is officially over and the new year is upon us, and it is time to clean up all this Christmas decor. As much as I love Christmas decor, just makes me feel like nice and cozy, and I love the lights at night. It feels so good once you get it all cleaned up though. It's like a fresh restart for the new year. So I figured we'd do a little clean with me vlog, and we're gonna put away all of our decor and clean up this whole space. I really enjoy watching clean with me videos, so I figured we would do that to kick off the new year. So if you're watching this, it's January 1st. Happy 2022. Can't believe that we've already arrived in the new year. Last year was crazy, lots of good stuff. Connor's over there with Miss Layla, our pride and joy from 2021. So yeah, let's jump right into getting this place cleaned up and refreshed for the new year. So we got tree area here. Dogs are excited because I touched their dog bag to get something out and they think we're going somewhere. And fireplace, I'm gonna be most sad I think about the fireplace because I love that at night with the fireplace going and the lights twinkling and everything, but it'll be fine, it'll be fine. And then we have Layla's play gym here. We have some bins to organize things. We got some new ones this year. This is for like organizing ornaments, and then there's a bigger one down there as well. I'll show them as we go. And then gonna clean up this. I do like to leave this because it's like winter themed still, but I'll clean up most of the winter stuff. I just like to leave this. I change kind of throughout the season, and I like to leave the little pine cones and everything, and a little bit of the evergreen or whatever you want to call them here just for a little pop, but I'll get rid of like this and then probably these two things as well. Let's do it. Let's clean up, right, bub? And then we usually have Christmas decor in here, but right now it's all cleared off. It's under over there. Clean it up. Move them on out. Let's do it.
Boom.
What do you think, Layla? What do you think, Layla?
What do you think?
Are you ready?
Are you gonna do some cleaning?
Are you ready to clean with us? She's like, I'll just hang out and watch, guys, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I got you flowers.
Thanks, honey.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
So we got these. Where's the what?
Mary Phil.
Leave it out for now. So we got these. They're ornament organizers. If I can't find the specific link, I will link something similar. But basically, you put the ornaments, you know, it has different layers, and you put them all in. So we're gonna start with the bottom and work our way up. And then, does this one have a clear? Oh yeah, this one has a clear side, so you can see like which, if you have certain themed ones, you can kind of organize them that way. So I'm gonna take all these out and start putting our ornaments in. go down, on to the next. Got this one for my mom this year. She found it. It was my grandma's. Look at it. Looks just like Layla too. So hard. She's just down the hall. We have this bag, which is a game changer, but Connor likes to get it in the bag and in the box because it's like Tetris. So we'll see if it works.
I don't know why. Like I'm better off
Somebody is awake from her nap. It's a lot harder to clean up when you have an infant at home. Time to eat, little one.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Hi, sweet boy. Hi, buds. Can you move so I can clean? Yeah? What about Cobes? Cobes is hanging back there.
Riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
See this? I do this like every couple weeks. Our dogs don't shed much, but lots of stuff gets picked up. Is it someone's nap time?
So long nap time for Layla, right?
Nap time. My little drooly girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, we gotta change your outfit. You are just
We're
drooly
pretty wet.
McDrool
We're pretty
pants.
wet.
Yes, you are. All right. Living room minus the dogs is clean. I mean, the dogs are clean, but you guys messed up my cleanness here. Living room is done. We got a little step stool for Kobe over there because whenever I'm feeding Layla, I can't lift Kobe up and she can't get up on the couch by herself anymore. So we got that. So that's going to stay there. Need to water the plants still. But here's the after up here. It's just nice and clean. Everything is just looking good. And then these are actually going downstairs, but this is done in here. I'll show you in a second. This area is all clean. I need a new centerpiece. I had it on my list to get that this year and I just didn't get around to it. I have a really cool idea for it, but I haven't found the right pieces either. And I just kind of want to like make this a little bit more minimal, but we'll work on that in the new year. I need a new pot for this because it just has like that starter pot. And then we have 2 figs here. I think this one's going to end up moving, but this one we got newer. This one we've had for a while. So gonna move things around. We did have this over in the corner over here during the Christmas season, but I don't know. I think we might put it right to the left of here and it might just make this space because I feel like this is just so empty over here, but we'll see. Either way, it looks so clean and it feels so good. I love the feeling of a clean house. This kitchen is gonna be next. It is a mess. Let's do it. What do you think? Nap time. You know. This is as clean as we're gonna get today. It is now almost 5 o'clock. Okay, that's all the cleaning we're gonna get done today. I did the kitchen, living room, dining area. I did the bathroom the other day. I need to do like a deeper dive into the bathroom soon too. And then I wanna move on to the other rooms and do like a nice refresh in there too. And we have some laundry that we need to get done, but feeling very productive today. This all needed it for sure, but it's very hard to do this cleaning with an infant. I didn't realize how quiet you have to be for one. We don't have to be too quiet, but you need to be a little quiet. And some things like vacuuming and stuff get to be really loud. And we didn't want to wake her. Our house isn't huge and she's just down the hall when she naps. It took a lot longer than I thought to finish all of this. It is now, yeah, 5 o'clock and we started this morning. Glad it's all done though. Feels great. It feels so good to just like sit in a house that's clean and organized, and it just feels so good. So hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing these. I can share, you know, when we do like a bathroom or bedroom clean or any other clean with me videos, just let me know. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that notification bell so you're notified each time a new video goes live. And check us out on our vlogs. We'll be sharing them weekly going into the new year as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.